In this video, we're unboxing and replacing the rear brake pads for Ford F-150 2014. These are rear brake pads, the brake pad retaining clip, the brake grease, the instruction manual. The following are the tools required for replacing the rear brake pads. Large torque wrench. Large F-style extension bar. Medium torque wrench. Medium 13mm shallow socket. Large electric impact wrench. Brake caliper piston rewind tool. 21mm deep socket. Medium ratchet. 17mm combination wrench. Lubricant, used to lubricate the guide pins. Use the jack to support the installation. Using the 21mm deep socket with the F-style extension bar, loosen the rear wheel lug nuts. Using the jack to lift the vehicle. Using the 21mm deep socket with the electric impact wrench, remove the lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using the 13mm shallow socket with the medium ratchet wrench, loosen the brake caliper mounting bolts. Remove the caliper mounting screw. Remove the brake caliper. Place the caliper aside. Remove the brake pads. Remove the brake pad retaining clip. Clean the area where the retaining clips and pads sit. Using the brake caliper piston rewind tool, compress the rear caliper piston. Here is the comparison of old versus new rear brake pads. The old pads had high metal content, which caused serious brake noise. That's why we're replacing the new brake pads. Before installing, apply brake grease evenly to the back plates of the new pads. This is what it looks like after even application. Now moving on to installation. Install the new retaining clips. Install the new brake pads. Before reinstalling the brake caliper, check that the guide pins move freely without binding. This one is appropriate, while this one has problems which need to be took down. Lubricate the guide pins. Apply grease evenly to the guide pins. Reinstall the guide pins. Make sure the dust boots are seated properly. Install the brake caliper mounting bolts. Reinstall the brake caliper. Using the 17mm combination wrench with the 13mm shallow torque socket, install the caliper retaining bolts. Tighten the caliper retaining bolt. Tighten torque 25 Nm or 18 foot-pounds. Reinstall the wheel. Using the 21mm deep socket with the electric impact wrench, install the lug nuts. Put down the jack. Using the 21mm deep socket with the electric torque wrench, tighten the lug nuts. Tighten torque 150 Nm or 111 foot-pounds. The installation process for the left side rear brake pads is the same as the right side.